Hi, first grade, this is Mrs. Hobbs. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on our week 3 math packet. It says Unit 6, Day A at the top of the first page. And I will do a few examples in it to help get you started. So on this first page, we are continuing with the concept of the 10 frames, and we're working with subtraction this week. And so I will demonstrate a way that you can do this, and then we're going to go back and revisit the fact families, being able to write 4 equations, 2 plus, 2 minus, out of the 3 numbers that we come up with. So on this first one, it says use 2 colors to fill in the 10 frame. So you will need 2 colors of your choice. You can use crayon or marker. I'm going to use red and blue. You'll need a pencil. And also later in the packet, you will also need glue, either a glue stick or a glue bottle, and then you'll need some scissors. So on this first page, I'm going to use my colors and my pencil. It says 18 minus 6 equals blank. So I'm going to use again the concept of the 10 frame to help me find that missing number. This is another visual strategy. I'm going to start with 18. That's my big number, my whole number. Before I even use my colors, I'm going to fill in 18 dots on my 10 frame. And I remember that 18 is a group of 10. So I'm going to put 10 dots plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want to go back and count those before you continue, you can do that just to make sure you start with 18. And then I circle the 18 at the top. Now, here's where the colors come in. I'm going to pick one color and I'm going to circle that smaller number, that part. So 6 is one of our parts. I circled it red. So what I'm going to do is color in 6 of these squares that have the dots with my red. So I'll color 2, 4, 6. So 6 of my dotted squares are red. That means all the other white squares that have a dot in them get to be my other color, blue. And you can put a big circle here if you want, because that's where our blue number is going to go. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going pretty quickly here. So I put a 12 in here. So 18 minus 6 leaves me 12 left over. So if I turn this into a fact family, if you remember, we have big, little, little, or whole, part, part. And some of the kids might know the fact family as a number bond. I can put an 18, a 6, and a 12. Some students remember it and recognize it when we write it like that. So when I'm writing my fact families, I'm going to start with my big number, or I'm sorry, I need to rephrase that. For addition, I'm ending with my largest number, with my whole number. So that needs to be my whole number, that needs to be my whole number. But in subtraction, I'm starting with the whole number, the 18. So I always like to go through and write the 18s, the whole number first. And then I'm going to start with the 18 here. So then I just need to fill in with the parts. So here I could do 6 plus 12 equals 18. Little plus little equals big. Now I can do the commutative property and turn those 2 parts around. And I could start with the 12 this time. 12 plus 6 equals 18. And I'm going to do the same thing with the parts here in my subtraction. I'm starting with the whole number 18. 18 minus 6 equals 12. Then I can turn those 2 parts around and do 18 minus 12 equals 6. So that is how you do this first page, actually the first couple of pages. Something that might be helpful to you is to actually tear all the pages apart from the staple, and that'll make it easier to work with. I've done that with all my pages. So I have this page, this page, this page, and this page that I will be doing in that same manner. I'm going to do different videos for the other parts of the math in case you just need to see a video for this. So I hope you found that helpful.